Hello everyone, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all aspirants of engineering as a career. On behalf of Shri Vile Parle Kelwani Mandal and on behalf of Shri Vile Parle Kelwani Mandal's Institute of Technology, Dhule, I heartily welcome you all for your pleasant stay at SVChem Institute of Technology, Dhule. Shri Vile Parle Kelwani Mandal's Institute of Technology, Dhule is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, that is D-Batu Lonere, and approved by All India Council for Technical Education, AICT, New Delhi, for 5 courses, namely Computer Engineering, Information Technology, Electrical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Civil Engineering, with intake of 60 for each course. We at SVChem Institute of Technology, Dhule believes in nurturing students to become nation builders. True engineering education is not just providing luxurious infrastructural facilities, but it is a platform where hidden talent is converted into real and creative world. We not only impart academic education, but also inculcate in our student value-based education and knowledge through their holistic development, that they have the power to create better tomorrow. We believe that every student is unique and needs to be nurtured in a comprehensive manner. Our dedicated and diligent faculty and staff play major role in achieving the objectives of the institution. Our teaching and non-teaching staff act as a mentor, monitor our students, celebrate their achievements, and help them in overcoming their shortcomings. Our main objective is to give rise to the professional and practicing engineers who will play an active role in progress of our nation. Also, in keeping with the Make in India theme, we as an institute encourage entrepreneurship spirit in our students. For this, we have startup innovation and entrepreneurship cell, where a platform is provided for propagating the innovative business ideas. I am happy to inform you that through our SI cell, 3 startups are available in SVChem Institute of Technology, Dhule. Our institute has an official Microsoft Teams application that we are using for conducting online lectures, practical and examination during this pandemic situation. As it is really difficult during this pandemic situation to reach up to the students, but I am thankful to our management, which has a broad vision, and they have brought in with this Microsoft Teams application for our students. We have eYantra Laboratory, which is a project to spread the education in embedded systems and robotics by IIT Bombay, sponsored by MHRD. SVChem Institute of Technology has a collaboration with IITs through SWAYAM local chapter to offer self-study online courseware in the form of web courses. In addition to that, we have signed MOU with IIT Bombay for a spoken tutorial program that is again an initiative by National Vision of Education through Information and Communication Technology, ICT, launched by MHRD, Government of India. SVChem Institute of Technology having collaboration with various foreign universities through Coursera courses. In addition to the regular degree offered by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, we have collaboration with NMIMS University, Mumbai, where we are offering minor in specialization degrees for various advanced courses such as cloud computing, data analytics, data sciences, etc. In addition to that, we have collaboration with IBM, where we are offering again minor in specialization degrees in collaboration with IBM too. Although we are new, but still we are striving hard for offering campus placement to our students. Our first batch is on the verge of pass out with flying colors in this competitive world. We are providing campus placement to our students. I am happy to inform you that many of our students got placement, few got pre-placement offers, and few got internship opportunities. The package ranging from 2 lakh to 7 lakh for students, and they are quite happy with the way we have responded with the first batch placement. So with this, I wish you all the best and welcome you all for your pleasant stay at SVKM Institute of Technology, Dhule. Thank you.